tag.
I did. Hello everybody. I am apologizing in video form because me and my girlfriend Meg here are going on vacation. Woot woot, woot woot. Starting actually now. We are going to Canada from Sunday to Sunday. If you are unfamiliar, we went last September. Here's some pictures on my Instagram and Meg's Instagram. We got some hot fire last time, and we're going to the same place because the forest fires pretty much ruined our vacation last time, besides the day or day and a half that you see the photos that we took from. Anyway, no fires this time, but it's gonna rain, but we'll make the best of it. And we're going with our two friends, Shelby and Trevor. But yeah, anyway, this video was meant to say I'm sorry because I won't be on YouTube for at least the next week. I have another video filmed. Here's a little snippet of it. Today, we're gonna talk about that blurry backgrounds look, how you can get it, what lenses are good for it, and all that good stuff. So today, we're gonna talk about bokeh. But yeah, things, go fast. Life goes fast, and I just didn't have time to edit it. I should have, but I didn't. So yeah, we will be back in the States on the 17th, and then hopefully a couple days after that, 18th, 19th, around that, I will post that video, and I will have a bunch of stuff from Canada to post as well. And yeah, we're going on vacation, so I will see you guys soon. Oh, I just hit 5,000 subscribers. What the heck? Thank you so much, guys. I thank you guys in the video that I've already filmed, but you won't see that, so yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Thank you so much. We will see you guys when we get back from vacation, and yeah, I'll see you in the next episode.
Peace.
Peace.